Help! Is there anything you can do when blonde hair turns kind of orange, when the roots are being retouched?
Well, we often see people coming in and their hair is blonde, but their roots are orange. And it's usually because they tried to color their hair at home. When dark hair starts to turn blonde, it first usually passes through a golden orange stage. And this means that the hair contains natural, great pigment called pheomelanin. Some people have almost no pheomelanin, some people have a ton of it. People who are naturally redheads, it's really hard to get rid of. So usually, if the hair is yellow at the root and blonde on the ends, either the person who retouched it before, maybe you, did not take fine, even sections, did not use a shade light enough, and did not process the hair for a sufficient amount of time. When you use permanent dye, the first 45 minutes to an hour, those first 30 minutes are basically bleaching the hair with a little bit of depositing tone. But then, after halfway through development, the wonderful tone of the color really starts to kick in. The violet, the blue, the beige, the tan that softens the color. And a lot of people say, wow, the color looks really light, let's rinse it off. But it didn't finish doing its job. The wrong shade, the wrong application, rinsing it off too soon, and those are usually the culprits. But I will say this, if the hair is blonde, most of the time, if there's a darker root, the way to create blonde is not with high lift color. In 8 out of 10 times, it means that the hair needs to be pre-lightened with